In this video, I want to share the new basher that I picked up. It's not the normal brands everyone thinks of when it comes to bashing. I did get this used off of Facebook Marketplace, so the question is, did I get a good deal or did I get a money pit? So stay tuned. When I saw this on Facebook, I hesitated because of the brand. This brand isn't known for its quality or durability in the market. But I saw some potential with the aftermarket parts that were available. This truck has multiple names under many different brands. This truck is the Gool Rc Legend. This is the brush version, and the guy I bought it from wasn't into RC. He just got it to try out. And with the prices of many RC cars and trucks nowadays exceeding $400, someone looking into the hobby can be tempted by the low prices. But unfortunately, quality control isn't always good, and that's why I think he sold it. The main issue I have with this truck, other than the lack of speed, is the rear wheel hex not molded properly, causing a bad wobble. I'm going to attempt to repair it using heat to remold it. You may have noticed that the battery hold down is missing. I may have some scrap plastic that I can make work. Now, since this is only a $50 truck, my plan is to put a budget brushless system in and a 2S Lipo. My budget's around $100, so let's see what we can do. Here's the acrylic battery hold down bar that I made. I picked up a 2-pack of the Ovonic 5200 milliamp 50C 2S Lipos for about $24. For motor and ESC, I picked up a Gool Rc. It's a 60 amp speed control with a 3500 kV motor. I was unable to repair the wheel, so I went on Amazon and picked up a set of 4 wheels and tires for $24. There's a little bit of cogging on startup. Drives like a bat out of hell. Not a bad system for $44, but I'm finding I can't really stop when I'm coasting. I can stop, I can accelerate and stop, but if I'm coasting and I try to stop, it doesn't work. It just coasts until I run out of momentum. It's quite odd. So I've done a few speed tests, and the speed is about 33 miles an hour. Oh, I couldn't stop. Due to the issues I had with the Gool Rc system, I'm going to be changing it out to a Hobbywing 10 BL60 brushless ESC and a 3300 kV motor. I hope you enjoyed this quick upgrade video. I plan to do a little bit more upgrades in the future, so stay tuned.